Okay, today me, Amirul Ashraf, Ahmad Aiman, Adam Haris and Wan Safazil will explain to you about the beauty of the GPS, which is Global Positioning System. Today I would like to talk about the introduction of Global Positioning System, a satellite-based radio navigation system owned by the United States government and operated by the United States Air Force. It is a global navigation satellite system that provides geolocation and time information to a GPS receiver anywhere on or near the Earth where there is an unobstructed line of sight to 4 or more GPS satellites. The GPS does not require the user to transmit any data, and it operates independently of any telephonic or internet reception. These technologies can enhance the usefulness of the GPS positioning information. The GPS provides critical positioning capabilities to military, civil, and commercial users around the world. The United States government created the system, maintains it, and makes it freely accessible to anyone with a GPS receiver.
Okay, today I would like to talk about the advantages of Global Positioning System, or also known as GPS. GPS is extremely easy to navigate as it tells you the direction to your destination. GPS works in all weather, so you don't need about the climate as in other navigating devices. The GPS cost is very low compared to other navigation system. The most attractive feature of the system is it covers 100% of the planet. It also helps you to reach the nearby restaurants, hotels and gas stations, and is also very useful. For example, you wanted to find a new place. Due to its low cost, it is very easy to integrate into other technologies like cell phone. The system is updated regularly by the US government, and hence it is very advanced. This is the best navigating system in water, as in larger water bodies we are often misled due to lack of proper directions.
So many pieces all got together now. What's your vision?
Disadvantage Global Positioning System (GPS). Sometimes the GPS may fail due to certain reasons, and in that case you need to carry a backup map and directions. Moreover, if you are using GPS on a battery operated device, there may be a battery failure and you may need an external power supply, which is not always possible. Furthermore, sometimes the GPS signals are not accurate due to some obstacles to the signal, such as buildings, trees, and sometimes by extreme atmospheric conditions such as geomagnetic storms.
The application of Global Positioning System is first, aviation. Most of the modern aircraft use GPS receiver to provide the pilots and passengers with real-time aircraft position. They also provide a map of various destinations depending on where the aircraft operates. The second application of GPS is marine. Highly accurate navigation app is needed by boat captains to enable them to navigate through waters to their destination. These applications ensure that the channels are clear and there are no obstacles that can hinder their navigation. The third application of GPS is military. The US Department of Defense are the first to develop the GPS app system, and since that, the system has been adopted by numerous military forces around the world. Other countries have even decided to develop their satellite navigation network as a defense mechanism during war times.